Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Sumit, and I welcome you to this presentation of business opportunity with my company, Isleworth Group. Just to give you a brief introduction about myself, I'm a chemical engineer by profession and a gold medalist from Mumbai University, and done my master's in management from University of Illinois. And I'm a doctorate in the science of NLP, which stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming, which is the highest science of the human mind and human behavior. Friends, today I want to give you an idea about what kind of business opportunities are there post lockdown, because the scenarios are going to be totally different now. As reported by some of the reputed organizations like McKinsey, KPMG, and PricewaterhouseCoopers, some of the top 10 businesses in India as well as some countries abroad will be businesses connected with home, work from home. Because as you know, friends, after the corona, uh, physical activities are going to come down to a very great extent. Meeting people will also come down because of the infection aspect till the vaccine is invented. So for that, friends, any business which is from home or from one single place is going to prosper. Anything to do with digital marketing is also going to be in boom, because right now we have seen during the lockdown that the digital marketing whosoever has been doing, they have performed really well. Online education, as you would have noticed, most of the coaching classes have turned into online education, and they have come out with their apps as well as they are giving education so that people can do anything sitting in the comfort of their home. Similarly, friends, because of the infection aspect, there is no solution in the pharmaceutical industry about the virus vaccine. That is where what you eat is what is going to be very, very important. So anything to do with health and wellness products, organic food products are also going to do very well. Outsourcing, because now since the economy is in a very, very bad shape, companies are also not doing well. It makes a lot of sense to outsource. So if you are any industry which is taking up outsourcing work or want to give outsourcing, is going to be in trend now. Of course, stock market now things are very, very low because of various reasons. But there's a good news also because of a lot of FDI and a lot of investments flowing into India from various countries. As you would have seen in the news some time back, that more than 100 companies in the US are planning to shift to UP after the chief minister had a video conference with all the the owners of the companies. So it is a very bright chance that India will get quite a share of a lot of things from abroad, which is was earlier being made in China, but now it is going to be made in India. So stock market is going to boom. So right now, if you have liquid cash, it's the best time to invest, especially companies like Reliance and Geo, where a lot of investments are coming from Facebook and other US companies. Counseling, if you are into any kind of alternative therapy or counseling, because people are going through a very, very bad mental state, and that is where you need to understand that anything to do with counseling and other things will do extremely well. Similarly, technical training, because now the trends are going to be different and things are going to be different. Anything to do with technical training, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other, these are the technologies which are emerging worldwide. Data sciences, Similarly, friends, hydroponics also has got a very large potential, because people will start shifting into agriculture. Because agriculture, as those of you don't know much about hydroponics is one technology which uses a very little water, and it can practically be used for any kind of agriculture. And the yield is almost 2 to 3 times more, and it is a more of vertical farming. So people will for the risk of infection and other things, they will start growing their own things. In fact, hydroponics can be even implemented in your own terrace. In your own terrace, you can grow most of the vegetables like onions, tomatoes, chilies, and other things like that. So friends, these are the top 10 industries which are going to have a very, very bright future post lockdown. Let us go further. I'll give you a brief background about my company that is called Isleworth. Isleworth Group was established way back in 1955, friends. In fact, and now it is present globally. It primarily started with manufacturing of water treatment plants, effluent treatment equipment, and recycling plants. We have been one of the first companies in India to start water treatment services way back in 1955, and today we have a very strong hold. We may manufacture practically everything in water treatment, wastewater treatment, and recycling plants. We also have an IT division where we primarily develop softwares, also app we develop for specific applications, and then any kind of software or ERP related end-to-end architecture as well as implementation is what we do. We are also in a BPO where we take care of backend of various companies and uh, banks for calling part of it, that is for marketing as well as for support. Then we are into education programs. We are going to discuss this in the subsequent slides. And we also offer consultancy to startups as well as to companies who need any help on the management side of it. And we have done a very good job in this area. Of course, we are also into organic food production. We grow organic food, and most of the in Rajasthan we have our own factories where we produce organic food, and these mainly we exported. We are also into nutraceuticals and herbal products, where we produce herbal products which are like capsules as well as herbs, which will be useful for any kind of health and wellness. We are also into global investments and global funding. We are going to discuss this a little more in the subsequent slides. And primarily, our focus is right now on exports as well as we imports from over 25 countries. So this is a brief background of what our group, Isleworth Group, has been doing. I am the managing director and CEO for the India division, that is Isleworth Trade Links Limited, which is a public limited company. Friends, this is the appreciation we got from Government of India MSME Award on the Republic Day 2020. One of the best 5,000 companies in India, we got nominated, and we got this award on the Republic Day. So these are some of the achievements we have had. Let us look into the first opportunity which we give to all is we do private labeling for companies who are startups or who want to get into any kind of food related business. So the first thing we do is complete range of food, organic food products we have, right from dal, rice, pulses, spices, cereals, as well as even things like vegetables and milk also. We have organic exotic teas and coffees. We have organic spices and masalas. We have juices, health juices, like you must have heard of aloe vera juice, noni juice, giloy juice. These are extremely helpful now. In fact, and due to corona, the demand for these things have gone up really high, and giloy as well as noni has been very very helpful in prevention of corona infection. Similarly, health and wellness products, dry fruits, we have exotic chocolates, health bars, organic pickles, health seeds like chia, quinoa, cereal. These come under superfoods. Nowadays, it is in vogue. And then we have ketogenic diets for people who are weight watchers, people who are gymmers. Primarily, they can go for ketogenic diet. So we have snacks for them. We have nutri bars for them. We have shakes which they can take pre-workout as well as post-workout. Organic snacks, all flavored nuts like peppered, salted, marinated like your cashews, as well as almonds and seeds. We also have very nice range of aroma cosmetics for the entire body, the skin, face, hair. Herbal health capsules were most of the common elements like diabetes, BP, pains, male and female issues. So we have some ready capsules with us, and these capsules can be taken by people. So we have a very high range in this health capsules, which are primarily exported mainly to the US as well as to the Europe, where it is in very high demand. And these capsules are basically produced in our USDA, USFDA certified factory. Organic edible oils, most of them are cold press oils, and cold press oils are nowadays again in vogue because there is no chemical or any kind of chemicals are added and no kind of processing is done. Similarly, we have organic stevia, brown sugars. We have very big range of instant soup, drinks, as well as milkshakes, because this will be again helpful as a snack. And one interesting thing we have developed in last few days is ready to heat and eat series for breakfast item, like mainly the South Indian series. And this has got a very big demand in the US as well as other, where Indian population is more, where they don't get these items so easily. And the advantage of these breakfast items is there is no chemical or there is no preservative, and these are all millet based, which are extremely helpful for health because they have a very low glycemic index, so diabetic people can eat. And also apart from that, they have no gluten in them, so they are gluten free. The people who have skin diseases or allergy to certain foods can have this thing. So this is one of our premium products, and we are doing very well in this area. All these products, friends, are available for private labeling. When we say private labeling, product is ours, we do the packing, labeling, design, and give you the finished product, so you don't have to actually don't do anything except for marketing it. So we make it in your brand name, we register your brand name. You have to do only two things: apply for your GST, apply for your FSSI license, and apart from that, your trademark has to be registered. We'll support you, help you in all aspects of it, so that you will be able to sell these products offline as well as online. Offline, you can sell it to stores, you can sell it to hypermarkets, you can sell it on Amazon, Flipkart. So it will be all fit for selling it anywhere. So let's look at what is our promise for private labeling. In India, this is our business model. We do private labeling for small and medium scale industry. And Isilworth Groups gives the following support. We give you the product selection, form fill and pack, marketing support, all the legal registrations online and offline. We'll see it in detail. Next slide. So what we do, fill, form, pack all the items selected by you in your brand name, ready for selling to retail online stores, aggregators like Swiggy, Uber, Paytm. So these packings, what we do, will be approved by all these companies, so that you will be able to sell online as well as offline. Training your management and marketing staff in all aspects of marketing the product. If you're based anywhere out of Bangalore, these trainings can also be done online. We are available in all the online platforms, so we can give training to your entire staff online. It takes about 2 days, so 4 to 5 hours every day. We give you the training in all aspects of marketing the product. Also, we guide you in vendor registrations with large hypermarkets if required. Do digital marketing on all platforms for you. Now, once you make the product in your brand name, that is not enough. You need to propagate it, promote it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and there is new thing which has come up, which is the business WhatsApp marketing, which is officially released by the WhatsApp company itself, where they give you a software, and they also help you in getting leads for a particular category. Let's say you want in only in one area in Bangalore, or you want only to target chartered accountants or lawyers. Like the category wise, they give you the leads with the phone numbers. So you can send up to 1 lakh messages per day, and a video up to about 8 to 10 minutes free. So there is no charges on that. But you'll have to initially buy the software, which is also very nominal. Guiding you in appointments of distributors, because distributors, they have their own terms and conditions. So we have a very high network of distributors. We know people who take up stockiship for cities as well as for the whole state, so that we will introduce you to the people once you become our client. Then regular awareness programs on online meetings, podcasts, offline for corporates to promote healthy living. Because we are into basically health and wellness products, so we need to create a lot. And today, post-corona, people are all looking for these products, mind you, friend. They all have realized one thing, that today our what we are is what we eat. If you eat junk, then you are also going to be junk. So please understand that after corona, things have totally changed, in the sense people have realized that health is in our hands. We also help you in exports of your products in your brand name on your behalf. So if you have any contact abroad and you want to export your product, then we can do it on your behalf, because we have all the certifications what is required in the US, European Union, Middle East. So what happens is that it becomes easy for you to export. But since you may be a startup and you may not have all the bandwidth to handle all the agencies like customs as well as we take care of that, because primarily our main business model is export. So we do almost 85 to 90% of exports of our products from India, and that is where we can help you, support you in this aspect very well. Friends, this is our certifications. As you see, we have GMP, we have Halal, we have Kosher, we have HSCCP, NPOP, NOP, ISO 22000. So these are the and also approved by APIDA and the Spice Board of India. So like that, we have all the certifications what is required for you to kickstart the business. There is no wait at all. Once you give us the order, we pack everything, and you can share these certifications because at the backside it will be written manufactured by us. Some of the good names we are already doing business with for various products we have. Some of the very well-known names like Velona, Total Healthcare, Big Basket, Vasudev Adiga, ITC, Vadilal. These are the companies we are already doing private labeling for them. There are some foreign companies like Wow, as well as Organic Sphere in the US, and the Swedish company called Back on Track. These are the companies we are already doing private labeling for them for various products. So these are some of the very good names. They are our regular clients. This is a view of our factory where automatic plant is there for packaging. This is our spray dried powder plant. Here we manufacture a spray dried powder which is used basically in most of the food industry. For example, you have a vanilla ice cream and you want a particular flavor. Let's say you want banana flavor. You will not get that particular fruit because some of the fruits are seasonal. So this spray dried powder is 100% natural. There is no chemical preservative whatsoever, and it is 100% soluble in water. So if you add it to the vanilla ice cream, it will come to that flavor. So it will become mango, banana, pineapple. So we have more than about 15 to 20 fruits and almost 10, 12 to 15 vegetables, spray dried powders, which can be put into the product which you are manufacturing. And this has got multiple use. Like, this is a primarily an ingredient which goes in the same plant. We also manufacture seasonings which are required to give flavors to the food. For example, you may have peri peri, you may have oregano, basil. Like that, we have so huge collection of seasonings, which can again has multiple uses in the food industry. This is our bird's eye view of a herbal plant for herbal extract. So here we all the herbs which are there, medicinal herbs, for example, aloe vera, turmeric, curcumin, Garcinia cambogia. More than 600, 700 herbs are there, which find a very good use in the herbal industry, the herbal medicine industry. Friends, all over the world, there is a big trend. Even earlier, even after Corona, it has become even more. You must have seen it in the news that our Prime Minister Modi ji has been promoting Ayush worldwide by saying that use Ayush products. Ayush stands for Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy, because these are the only things which are actually giving relief to the people. And there are big celebrities like Prince Charles, who literally swears by homeopathy, swears by Ayurvedic treatment what he received, and he came out of the infection. So this has got a very huge demand not only in India but also abroad. And here the best part of it, friends, we make a particular concoction. For example, we have come out with for corona specifically immunity builder, which is made out of giloy, curcumin, ashwagandha, and certain other herbs which can be mixed, and we can give you a particular concoction in your name directly, which will be a unique, which other companies will not have. So some of the concoctions we have are very unique, and others do not have that. Then we have a juice plant. We have some very huge collection of organic juices. For example, we have aloe vera juice, noni juice, giloy juice, ashwagandha juice. Like that, we have more than 60 to 70 types of juices which are ready to drink, and most of the things. And these are health based. So this will be definitely helpful to you in the long run for both prevention and curative. Prevention and curative. Please understand that they do both. Also in Bangalore, friends, we have a cow shed where we have desi cows, where we deal with A2 milk, where A2 milk, as you know, is one of the most healthiest milk which has been proved by several countries in Europe, and A2 milk is produced here. We have 200 cows, So here we not only give you the A2 milk, but all the A2 products also. For example, we have paneer, we have butter, we have khoya, buttermilk, all related to A2 milk. This again has a very huge potential post corona, because gives extremely good prevention, especially for the kids. I believe so. Somebody said that some report was there some time back that the children who consume A2 milk, I believe they will never get osteoporosis in their life, or they will never suffer from diabetes. So maybe, friends, we have spoiled our health by eating different things. We have not known what we have eaten from so many years. But to our kids, at least we can give them a very healthy future by giving them some good healthy products by which they develop very good immunity and the strength of their bones. Let's come to the second opportunity. Here we also manufacture in our factory in Mumbai, where we make this medical waste destruction plant. This is a patented product for hospital waste. Here we will have a look at this. What is this exactly? As you know, friends, hospital produces a lot of infectious waste, and especially nowadays with the corona infection, the whatever the waste like swabs and cotton, and also even the used clothes, which is called, these are all extremely infectious. Gloves and other things which the doctors use, they are also infectious because people can catch infection with that. So our company got into collaboration with Society for Applied Microwave Electronics and Engineering Research, which is called SAMIR, which is working as an autonomous research and development institution under the Ministry of Electronics and Information, Government of India. Developed an indigenous technology known as microwave-based disinfection system for hospital waste at the source where it generates. So this equipment, you will see the photos in the next slide, is very, very compact, and it can be used to disinfect 25 to 100 kgs per day of waste which is produced. And then the final residue which is left is a very small quantity which can be easily disposed of to the normal municipal waste without spreading infection. Now we have realized one thing, that how actually viruses behave. What viruses? See, viruses actually do not react to any of the, I mean, you cannot get an infection if you are healthy, if your immune system is good. It can only survive on a host. So today we have understood one thing, that viruses go from species to species. They may earlier be with bats, and then they go to pigs, and from pigs they come to human beings, because people in different countries, even in India, they eat these kind of things. So because of that, infection spreads very fast. So we have understood this thing after corona, that how actually the viruses behave. So the USP of this product is it's a patent technology from IIT Mumbai, and it is first time in the world microwave based. So there is no combustion or there is no burning involved in this, because what happens is, in burning you have a secondary pollution, like you have gas and other things coming out, smoke coming out, so that again spreads the infection or creates further pollution. In this part there is no secondary pollution at all, and it is because it is microwave based, and it is approved by Hafkin Institute of Mumbai, one of the most premium institute in the world. Zero pollution, and already 100 units of this has been installed. Actually, there is a law by Government of India that all the government hospitals must install this unit. And today, friends, there are more than 6,000 government hospitals all over India, and different states have their different, you know, rules and regulations, and we have to register on their site. And because already a lot of hospitals are possessing this equipment, it's very easy to. So if you have some good contacts with the hospitals, private or government, then you can act as an agent without any great investment as such, because you can have to only do the follow part of it with them, and do the coordination part of it. So this equipment has a very, very big promise because of corona. And the investments are also not very high from the hospital point of view. It can range from 25 lakhs to maximum 70 to 80 lakhs for the biggest equipment which we have. And this holds a very, very uh, promise for the future, because it kills all the known bacteria and virus, including COVID-19. So in this, the business opportunity is that without any investment, you can become our agent of our company, and promote it primarily into hospitals as well as this thing. Enough funding is available for this for the hospitals. If they anybody wants to install it, let's say private hospital wants to install these things, so enough funding is available, and government already has a budget for this thing. Only thing is that you will have to basically spend time in following up with them. The coordination and legwork is what you're expected to do. Let us look at opportunity three. We have our learning and development division. In this division, we are doing something very interesting. We are conducting online courses of big data, machine learning, Hadoop, digital marketing, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, graphic designing course, e-commerce, blockchain technologies. These courses are 3 months long, and they are you get a certificate from a premium institute, and we are also affiliated with one of the universities in Bangalore. So you will get two certificates. One is from the our company, and secondly, you'll also get from the university. So these are actually job oriented programs, in the sense like normally the student comes out of his engineering, he must have done his electronics and communication. I'm sure they know that they are not up to the industry requirement. Industry requires much more than what they have learnt in their school or college. So what happens is when they come out, they stare, because wherever they go for interviews, they are not able to cope up with the questions which they ask, because all those are from the latest technology. So no company will hire you unless and until you are updated with the latest technology. So we help the students who are just pass out to actually get it. And these are all practical courses. Like apart from theory, you can also, there will be a lot of things will be given to you. And the projects will be given to you in these areas. And any specific IT projects also somebody wants to do, they can write to us, and we can help them to develop that also. Apart from that, my those of you who have seen my earlier videos, I personally specialize in business related workshops like sales and marketing training, digital marketing, how to be effective manager, how to be successful entrepreneurs. These are basically life skills, communication skills, how to be a good negotiator, NLP for business. This is certification program. Customer resources management, supply chain management, Six Sigma for quality, ISO 9000 and 19011 auditing, and Six Sigma Green Belt, Black Belt. These are my personal qualifications. So here I am going to run very shortly online courses for this, and with certification, in the sense for Six Sigma you will get a certificate, which is again we are affiliated to certain international bodies, and for NLP also you will be certified not only by us but also by NFNLP United States. Those who do Six Sigma and NLP will be in great demand by big companies, because very big names like IBM, Cognizant, they almost made it compulsory for the new recruits who are recruited by the company that they must do these Six Sigma and NLP courses, because those who do NLP, they'll be very flexible and can be put into any department. So these courses, we are very shortly, friends, we are developing an app, and we are going to put it on LMS platform, by which people can learn module by module. Each module will be only 30 to 45 minutes, and after that immediately there will be an exam. You have to pass that online exam there and there. You get your marks also there and there, and then you go to the next module. So like that you can finish the course in as low as maybe 3 4 days, or maximum you can even do. There is no time limitation. So this is one very big development we have done in this lockdown period, because right now, if you wait for students to come, and because of traffic problem, pollution problem, and a lot of restriction in travel is already there, so why waste? Because this is the right time to actually learn and build up. The more you learn is the more you earn, and best part of it, you will have the certification, and which is all recognized by the industry. So those of you who are looking into business opportunity anywhere in India or abroad, you can represent us. You can represent us for promoting these courses with your circle. And if you promote it with your circle, and you suppose you get a client, we have all the payment gateways, so you can pay not only in rupees but by all debit cards, credit cards, dollars, PayPal, whatever you feel comfortable with. So once you represent us, whatever students sign up on your behalf, you will be getting a very handsome commission on that, so that you will be able to make a lot of people are already doing it, and in fact they are earning quite a good amount of money. Of course, last lockdown things have little changed, but today things are going to be online, friends. Let us look at our very interesting division, which is our finance and funding division. So in this, friends, we arrange MSME loans from 10 lakhs up to 2 crores without any collateral. These loans we actually arrange for our clients who are also into private labeling. Those who want to do private labeling or expand their business, we arrange loans from MSME in as low as with maximum 30 days is what we arrange this funds. The advantage of MSME loans is that first of all they are low rate of interest, 8.5 to maximum 9.5%. Plus women entrepreneurs, they get 30 to 35% subsidy. Long term period of a loan is there anything between 12 to 15 years, so the EMIs are very low. I don't know if you have followed the news. Government of India has released more than 10,000 crores as a first batch for MSME, and the second batch which is coming out is going to be 2 lakh crores. So and MSME is going to get a very very big push from Government of India. So this is the right time to actually apply for the loan, and we help you, support you in the whole thing. Of course, for that we'll have to discuss this personally. So we arrange working capitals also, friends, from banks as well as NBFC. Debt funding against property, suppose you have property evaluated, so we can get you up to 70% of loan in that. And also unsecured loans from right from 5 cr up to 500 cr for slightly large projects. So if you have a very large project where you're planning to do, so we arrange again here the rate of interest is much much lower compared to the bank here, because this will be again from an NBFC. We also do a very different kind of a funding for large projects, like we arrange a state SBLC, which is standby letter of credit from AAA banks abroad, like top banks like HSBC, Stanchart. This has been our regular business, and here what we do is we arrange an SBLC, standby letter of credit. SBLC is nothing but in Indian terms it is called as a bank guarantee. So what happens is the international bank gives a bank guarantee to your bank. You may be having account in any of the local banks. So what happens is against that, you can draw almost about 85 to 90%. For example, you have a SBLC of $10 million, you will get 90% credit immediately for at least 366 days, and you can renew it. Of course, there are different terms for different things. You need to write to us or talk to me in case you want interested in any of these kind of fundings. And if first you need a detailed project report, your incorporation, if you're a private limited company, your MOA, AOA, details of the collateral, ITRs of the director, balance sheet of the existing company, GST detail, bank coordinates, complete KYC, and the PPT of the project outlay. What is your executive summary? So you need to give a bird's eye view of the project, what exactly you're planning to do. Here I want to just say one more thing. If suppose you want to even make a detailed project report, that detailed project report also we help you to make it so that it is acceptable to the banks as well as this. So this is like in one stop shop for you to get everything, because what happens, for one thing you'll run to an auditor, for another one to a chartered accountant, like that a lot of time will be wasted, whereas we do everything under one roof, so you get the funding very very quickly. So these are our contact details, friends. You can get in touch with me on my phone number, as well as you can write to me. I'm on Skype, iselword.hk. These are our Facebook accounts, LinkedIn account, and if you want to write to me, you can write to me on iselworth.tradelinks.hk@gmail.com. I'll repeat, iselworth.tradelinks.hk@gmail.com. I'm sorry it is not included in this PPT, but you can just remember. Our best is you can call me. This is my WhatsApp number, +91 078291177766, +91 078291177766. I hope, friends, you enjoyed this and you want to take advantage of these business opportunities. Just pick up your phone and write to me or talk to me so that we can take it further. Thank you so much, and look forward.